Now scale is over, protractor is over, and divider is over, compass is over. There are two instruments like triangle like things. So these two are known as set squares. Set squares. Two set squares will be there, and most of the people, they don't know why two set squares are there. Some people will say, sir, this is equilateral triangle and this is right angle triangle. Okay, so okay, think like that. Then what is the use of the set square? The first use of the set square is used to draw the perpendicular. When you need a area of a triangle, half base into height. Height is needed. When you want to draw a perpendicular, then you have to use the set square. Protractor also can be used. Compass also can be used to draw the perpendicular. But this is a very simple way. Let me see how to draw a perpendicular on AB. Okay, here there is no space. Question is, draw a perpendicular at B using the set square. Okay, see, now take the set square and take it near the line segment, and one edge you have to keep it on the line, and this corner should be at B. So then how it is coming? Now the edge is going outside. So this edge is not possible. Do like this. Then keep this edge, and this corner should be at B, and the entire line should be on this, and hold it tightly, and then draw. This is a perpendicular. So don't get confused. You can use any one edge. This edge you can use, and this edge also you can use. Main thing is this corner should be at the point where you wanted to draw the perpendicular. Suppose this is the point. At O I wanted to draw the perpendicular. You can draw it. You can use this also. You can use this also. Any one thing. So now you can use this edge. See, longer edge. Because the edge I am able to put it on this, and I can do like this also. Okay, so I can do like this also. I will do like this. You can, our main thing is this corner should be at the point, and then draw lines. So this is the perpendicular. This is the symbol for perpendicular. Then why two set squares are needed? These two set squares are needed to draw the parallel lines. If you want to draw the parallel lines, you can use two set squares. Okay, how to draw the parallel lines using these two set squares, you learn by yourself. Otherwise, in my next video, I am going to explain you. I hope you have understood the compass box. See you in my next video.